Stress, welcome to Sky Crypto channel. This video I will share you less important updates about Ladies Coin. Is price prediction this year mega billion? That is this coin has potential to be the next $1 billion market coin. Can we see Ladies Coin to kill at least three zeros and give us 1000x return here or not? Because friends, right now entire crypto market is again recovering here. BTC is about $90,000 and all meme coins are pumping here. So is it possible that we can see Ladies Coin new all-time high? Because right now Ladies is 90% down than its all-time high. Okay, right now this meme coin is 90% down than its all-time high. So is it possible that we can see Ladies Coin new all-time high soon, maybe in this month April or in first week of May or not? So video is be very special, very important. You have to just for the complete here. Friends, first of all, you can see Ladies Coin current price is 7 times 0 for $4. Pump by almost 11% right now, but last 24 hours 52% pump. Okay, you can see friends, last 7 days 26% pump, 38% pump last 14 days. So this performance is good. $39.2 million market. Okay, so market cap is no doubt good. $39.2 million market cap is good. $7.4 million trading volume. Trading volume is also good, friends, because it's still there's no Binance Coinbase listing for Ladies Coin yet. So it's still market cap is good. 888 trillion coin supply. All in circulation. Ethereum ecosystem coin after that launched on Arbitrum also. After that, launched on Arbitrum chain also. You can see friends, DWF Lake portfolio investing here. We are 90% down than its all-time high. They were 1 year ago. They were 6 times 0 for $2 and is still 5,900% up than its all-time low. Coin has already killed 3 zeros when make its all-time high. So definitely it's possible because Ladies has potential to kill 3 more zeros, and we can see its price with just 4 zeros. Get.io and HTX, Bybit has listed, MEXC has listed, XT.com has listed, Crypto.com has listed, and other major central exchange listing. CoinX has listed this coin, Chain now has listed this coin. So friends, if you not have Get.io and MEX exchange account yet, I provide you both central exchanges links in description. You can join both central exchanges where you can buy all newly launched meme coins before listing on major central exchanges. Just like Ladies initially listed on Get.io and MEX exchange, after that listed on many major central exchanges. On Etherscan, friends, 25,678 holders for Ladies coin. So number of holders good, and these are the top holders of this coin. Okay, number one wallet has 24.2% of supply, and number second wallet is Bybit Exchange wallet holding 16.7% supply, and number third is another central exchange is Crypto.com holding 8.1% of supply. Get.io, Bitgate Exchange holding 3 and 2.8% of supply. MEXC, Get.io, Hobby Global, and KuCoin. The wallet number 15 is dead wallet, is burned wallet. 0.9% Ladies coins are also burned, and MEXC, KuCoin, Indodex. So mostly from central exchanges, top 50. Okay, almost 30 out of 50 are the central exchanges wallet. So this is good. Mostly supply is on central exchanges. So this is good, friends. And in my previous videos I already show you this website many times. And friends, you can also check out all further details here on their website is looking good, as I already show you in my previous videos that its logo is also changed. Okay, before that its logo before that its logo was not this, but now its logo is also changed and website is also updated here. These are the central exchanges where this coin is listed, taxes, and central exchanges including Arbitrum, because this coin is also working on Arbitrum ecosystem, Arbitrum chain also. So you can check out all further details here on their website. So website is no doubt, friends, looking good. It's roadmap here. Okay, 94% token is in liquidity pool, 1% token was airdropped, and 5% tokens are for liquidity. Sorry, 5% token are for ecosystem. So this is good, and this 1% supply is also burned. So this is good. Stress, now my price prediction about Ladies is that as this current price has 7 zeros and current market cap around 40 billion. But friends, I think definitely Ladies has potential to be the next maybe 4 to 8 billion dollars market cap coin. It's really possible that we can see Ladies to kill at least 3 zeros here, and we can see its market cap from just 40 million to maybe $4 to $8 billion here. It's really possible because this meme coin is going to fast its first mega balloon this year and already listed on major central exchanges. Trading volume is good, and we have some voting on Binance exchange recently that list Melody Lady coin. Okay, this lady's coin. So time to time there are some news that Binance can list this coin, and if it's possible that Binance will list ladies in coming few months, then definitely this coin can skyrocket here in short term and also in long term, because there's still loads of central exchange listing left for this coin. Just like Kraken has still not list this coin, Gemini has not, Coinbase, Binance. So loads of central exchange listing left for ladies coin, and because this meme coin going to fast is first mega balloon, so I'm very bullish on ladies. I'm already holding this coin on KuCoin exchange. And friends, my price prediction that I will show you, that I think this coin is already killed three zeros. Okay, when make its all time high, so it still has potential to kill three more zeros. And by the end of this year's super cycle meme coins mega balloon, we can see ladies with only four zeros. Okay, coin has currently seven zeros, but ladies can kill at least three more zeros from its current price. And by the end of this year mega balloon, we can see ladies with only four zeros here, and smart cap from just 40 million to maybe $4 to $8 billion here. And friend, if you not join my Telegram channel, so you can also join my Telegram channel. I provide you my Telegram channel link in description, where I provide you all latest important cryptocurrency updates here. Just like I told you about Poshita coin that was pumped by more than 200% here, 200% pump in Pochita coin last 24 hours, and many other updates you can see. I told you about Unisui coin, another 200% pump, Maniki coin, and Chill Guy, Floki, Bread, and many other coins. So if you're not join my Telegram channel, link in description, is 100% free. And if you like my content and you want to support Sky Crypto channel, then I have also provided these all my crypto resist links in description. You have to just copy these links and support Sky Crypto channel.